Welcome everybody to my channel. Pierre from P2 Design offers a selection of excellent courses that you can get. And many of you have been asking where we can find a high-quality, detailed, structured course to master every aspect of rigging in Blender. Well, this video is for you. We are going to talk about the Art of Effective Rigging 2nd Edition. It's a fantastic course by P2 Design. And in this course, you'll learn how to create professional, production-ready rigs for anything, from robots to characters. You'll also get high-quality practice characters, but if you prefer, you can absolutely use your own models as well. Now, let's dive into what's included in this course. The course features over 220 videos, totaling more than 32 hours of highly edited content, along with in-depth PDF documentation that includes all definitions and principles covered in the lessons, keyboard shortcuts, and the full-blown hierarchy. The chapters are extremely well organized, making it easy and comfortable to learn everything step by step. And the best part? No paid add-ons are required to follow this course. In Chapter 1, you'll learn how the course files and lesson system work. In Chapter 2, your rigging journey truly begins. You'll learn what rigging is, dive into the fundamentals such as parenting and constraints, and understand how these systems work in Blender. Then, you'll apply these basics by creating a simple turret rig. In Chapter 3, you'll move on to rigging simple objects, such as a bouncing ball. Chapter 4 is where things get really exciting. You'll rig a small ball robot that transforms into a spider robot. This chapter introduces inverse kinematics, drivers, custom properties, and even a head targeting system. In Chapter 5, you'll dive into biped character rigging. This includes creating a simple spine rig, leg rigs with foot roll, and switchable inverse and forward kinematics limbs. You'll also explore skinning and weight painting in depth, learning professional workflows and techniques. On top of that, you'll create your first script, even if you have zero prior experience, as templates are provided. Every step is carefully explained, helping you build a custom rig UI to efficiently control your character. In Chapter 6, the second-to-last chapter, you'll master high-end robot rigging. This includes advanced spine rigs, switchable IK and FK arms and legs, helper bones to fix deformations, shape keys, automated secondary mechanisms for shoulder pads, pistons, and complex armor pieces. Finally, in Chapter 7, you'll rig your ultimate character. This chapter covers full facial rigging, including sticky eyelids, deformation fall-off, mouth locks, fake cloth simulation, and a wide range of advanced techniques. Here, you'll push everything you've learned to its absolute limits. Once you purchase the course, you'll also receive lifetime access to all future updates. Now is the perfect time to enroll in the Art of Effective Rigging course. P2 Design also have the Alive Animation course, if you're looking to master animation in Blender. Or perhaps you're interested in learning character sculpting. There is a course for that too. If you already own the original Art of Effective Rigging course, you'll receive a generous 66% discount for the 2nd edition. That's it for now. Course link and some rigging add-ons links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. If you enjoyed this or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it around, and if you're new here, consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you never miss an update.